Good morning, all my crafty little friends. Today I'm going to show you how I repurposed the Christmas village set from my thrift haul. Now this is one of the buildings, the little church. And I just painted the whole set white. I took my glitter glue and went across, some of the little things to outline it a little bit around the roof. You could outline a lot of stuff. But anyway, I think it looks like a nice piece of fine porcelain. And the reason why I wanted to do it like this is if you paint the whole set, put the lights in them, and put them on your island, you could use them like a tiered tray kind of thing. Like you could go put some little Christmas trees all around your village at Christmas. You could put some spiders and some black cats and some witches around your village when it's Halloween. You could put some little trees with Easter eggs hanging from them for Easter. Or you could decorate it for every season, every holiday. And when it's not a season or a holiday, they look just nice like this. I've had them sitting over here on my coffee table. I just used placemats. I put 2 cloth placemats down because that's what I had, just to stage it to show you. But if you had a table runner, and you had them on an island or something like that, it would be really cute. You could put them on a mantle, line them up along the mantle, keep them lit up because they make nice little night lights. And that was my other thought. Besides that set, I also realized I still had these. I had 2 of these. It was a little light up toy shop. I took one and painted it, except for this window where you could see into the little toys and Christmas tree. And this one holds a big bulb in the back that you plug into the back. The others hold the smaller bulb that you plug into the bottom. So when I was painting this one and lighting it up, I got the epiphany that wouldn't it be cute if any of these you could use them for just night lights. Like in each room you can have one plugged in for that room, or you could give them away to individual people for a little night light. Sit it on your end table, put it on your nightstand, whatever. Like this one, it lights up really pretty in all the windows. And then I'm going to show them to you with some purple, blue, whatever they are. They're Halloween lights. I'm just going to lay those down and let you kind of see what that would look like. So here's what we started out with, and them lit up. And then the flipped set with also the added toy shop in the back, which is kind of bright for this set. But if you have other ideas, please share them in the comments so we can all learn together. Okay, that's my video for today. I hope it gave you some ideas, a little bit of inspiration, gets your creative juices flowing, because there's more to Christmas Village than just setting them out at Christmas or just leaving them with all the bold, awkward colors. And also, when you buy the old ones, the paint jobs are so terrible that they could use a makeover. So that's it for today, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.